Well, he collapsed with Stevens-Johnson syndrome on the ER floor. Panic attacked, anaphylactic, and ataxic. Well, the way he spun his butterfly wrist, all six his phalanges, Roman candles at both ends and his synapses. And the man with which he recycled his humorous Trojan horse, his blood-brain barrier, and raised the LD50, yes. And drew flat off by revelation, shame the black box warrior. He skipped this down and made it straight down history. Shields himself from reason in a Kevlar baby blue tuxedo. Built it from the finest fibers, flesh and fiberglass and flowers. Ego, a mosquito, evil incarnate, good incognito. Pops placebos for libido, screaming, bless the torpedoes. For what? For what? For what it's worth. If it was gonna kill you, boy, it would have by now. For what? For what? For what it's worth. There's no more looking back, it's looking up or looking down. Well, he was wearing stolen rubber shoes and wrapped in poison ivy noose around his locust jugular when they came. Well, they found him with a map to every victim of his love and a tattoo of a blue jay on his face. Spider sat to lion, let a flatline cry, a hit out in Hungarian harmonic. When he cocked his noggin through his stoma, sang for all lang syne. Happy birthday to the succulent sardine hydroponics. It was a hornet's nest. Complications at the beat, his vagus nerve induction, not axle hitch, a carrot bent. He wondered if Christ consciousness would charge a cancellation fee on insane. Au revoir, he gripped his wits right by the rents. For what? For what? For what it's worth. If it was gonna kill you, boy, it would have by now. For what? For what? For what it's worth. There's no more looking back, it's looking up or looking down.
Woo!